Glaxo is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies. There's a lot of data within pharmaceutical companies. When a clinical trial is finished, it's almost like a book that people put on a shelf and they don't look at again. What we're doing is taking all of those books down and making them all available. Traditionally, it would take between 8 and 20 years from early discovery through the release of a new medicine into the market. What we're doing by using Cloudera and the platform is to really accelerate and streamline and make as efficient as possible the development of a new medicine. The goal is to bring medicines to patients faster.
We're able to harness the insights across various clinical trials that give us a different perspective on the overall equation of a single therapeutic area, right, or multiple therapeutic areas. Using legacy technology, this simply would not be possible in the time span that we have.
One of the key reasons why we rely on Cloudera is because of the enterprise class security. And so by leveraging the Cloudera SDX capabilities, we're really able to manage all of that metadata and policy information in a centralized fashion. We started with the foundation, which is Cloudera, and then we built on that foundation with a number of great partners that have all worked together collaboratively to allow us to deliver a really integrated ecosystem.
And what this does for us is help make the lives of our patients better, leading to different kind of avenues of discovering medicine.